All right, welcome. Your assignment for Tuesday, April 7th, is coming up here in a second. First, we're going to do our daily question. What is your favorite thing to do since you're home with a little bit of extra free time? So what is your favorite thing to do with your extra time at home? Put it in the comments. And now let's get to your assignment for today. First, some housekeeping before we get to work. Housekeeping, in case I said that weird. All right, so everybody's collaborated on a slideshow. We know who our tech directors are of each group. If you've done your work in the slideshow each day, hit submit. You do not need to turn the slideshow in repeatedly. As long as the slideshow is shared with Mr. Ewing, I just need you to hit submit or turn in every day when you do your piece of the work. That way, we can take little tiny steps to get this project done. Hi. So, today's assignment is, as a group, I want you to get into your slideshow and I want you to define the 3 broad terms used in manufacturing, or statements. The first one is made to stock, or make to stock manufacturing. The second one is made or make to order. Made or make to order. And the last one is made to assemble. Made or make to assemble. Those are 3 broad terms used in manufacturing that help to describe the process or the type of manufacturing you're involved in. Right. So as a group, I want you to define those 3 things or those terminologies used in manufacturing. Each person needs to log into their slideshow and do their fair contribution to the work. Now, some go-getters are going to try and do all the work. Awesome for those go-getters, but I don't want them to get hosed. So maybe a great way to start is, if you log in early, say tonight or first thing tomorrow morning, define one of them. That way you give an opportunity for your group mates to define another one. There's only 3, so if you're the 4th or 5th person to log in, maybe you should put an example next to each one. And if you're the last one into that slideshow, maybe you should put a picture next to each thing. So again, after you've done your part, what you believe your favorite contribution is, hit turn in and wait for your group mates to do the rest. Make sure that your tech director has shared the slideshow with me. That's all. Me and you and me, we'll get through this together. Sayonara. Take care.